gives you access to the entire network in all 50 states as well as in Canada. So we asked our members how having LegalShield makes them feel. These were some of the responses: empowered, smart, protected, secure. But we also asked them, how does it feel not having access to our services? If we took your services and said you could never have LegalShield again, how would you feel? Defenseless, unsure, vulnerable. So let's talk about our small business owners. So outside of you as an individual or a family person or whatever your family dynamic looks like, you may have a business. Maybe you've been thinking about starting a business. And I want you to know that we also can service you as well. So our small business community is a very important community in this country. And we know that legal access is super crucial. The business owner could be one decision away from a major setback. And the last thing they need is to be trying to figure out how to be an attorney for something they're not qualified to do. So we provide this package here, whether it's, your business is from home or you have a traditional brick and mortar or whatever have you, we can meet your needs. Consultations, letters, document review, debt collection letters, right? So many of the things I talked about earlier, but we'll even take it a further step. Maybe you have a business that, requires you to work or do business in different states. It may make sense to look at one of our Plus and Pro plans. Maybe you've been thinking about getting a custom contract written up or have an employee handbook drafting. You need to get that reviewed. Maybe you're thinking about a trademark or copyright, or maybe you're concerned about, someone wanting to sue your business. And here's the thing. I know we all have some type of insurance, but the reality is most people got those insurances for their businesses for water damage, fire damage, water damage, fire damage, and vandalism. And the reality is, when something legal happens, that just adds a whole nother layer to it. And so I love this, right? Because one of my clients had a situation, somebody fell on her property. The guy decided he was going to sue her. She called the law firm, got them involved. Come to find out the guy was a con artist. They threw the whole case out. But her getting that second opinion was everything, and having legal access. And so you can see those are price points range anywhere from additional $30 up to $169, depending on whatever it is that you have going on. We have a plan to meet your needs. Let's talk about identity.